Garvey here. It's with a quick how-to tutorial. Alright, so what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to add custom sounds onto Logic Pro X. As you guys can see, I have one of my beats up. The title of it is Avenues. Alright, I'll just play it for you guys. You understand that? You understand that? Alright, that was just a little sample. I'm not gonna play the whole thing for you guys. But real quick, as you guys can see, I have you got the blue and then you got the green, right? So whenever you see the dark blue little boxes, that just indicates the sound that was imported just by its actual audio file. So I'm gonna open my Finder window, and I'm on Mac, by the way, if you couldn't tell. So I'm gonna type in drum kit, because you gotta stay organized. Okay, drum kits 101. So let's say we go into Sledgeon's drum kit. All right, all you do is you take whichever sound you want. So let's say we wanted this kick, drag it to a track that doesn't have anything, and bam, there you go. You can play it. I'll silence everything. There you go. So that's one way. All right, and another way is let's go to Open Hat Trap. So when you open a new track, I'll just open a track for you guys. You're gonna see this right here on the left hand side. It's gonna say E piano, right above audio effects, below MIDI effects. You're gonna click the up down arrows. You're gonna go to EXS24, right? And then from there, you're gonna choose edit. Now, when you're in the edit screen, here, hold on one second. So it's gonna be a factory default. And then from there, you can take whichever sound you want. Let's say you want this snare. So now that's loaded on. So now you can play that sound, right? But even, let's say you didn't want the snare and you wanted, let's say, a sound loop of some sort. Let me just go to my. All right, so let's take this. Oh, I can make some fire with this. Hold up. Ooh. But anyways, there you go. You guys have it. So we loaded the Rhodes on. So let's say we're good. That's the sound that we want. Go ahead, save it. Title it Rhodes. Oh wait, I already have one in there. Let's go Rhodes 2. Bam. Now we can close it. Oh, let's close this. And then open up our keyboard. I'm using the actual keyboard on my laptop. I wish I had an external keyboard, but whatever. There you go. And then you could, let's silence everything. Record. Okay. There you guys go. So just a quick tutorial for you guys to add sounds to your music. I'm sure there's multiple other ways, but those are just the two most simplest ways I know how. If you guys have any questions, go ahead. Place below in the comments. I can't freaking talk. Like the video, share it, let your buddies know. Let's just stay educated.